Hi everyone, my name is Anna Arias and I'm going to be showing you how you can use the application Evernote for an in-classroom activity. So if I go to the little person on the bottom right, it shows my account, and I do have a basic account, but you can upgrade to get more storage and more features. And if I go to the bottom left corner, it shows all of my notes. So here I have my notes organized by alphabetical order. And now I will be showing you how you can use this application for an in-classroom activity. So I've created this listening activity, how to use future tense. And here the students need to watch a YouTube video and record their answers to the questions with their groups. So you can either do this as pairs or groups. And I want students to use complete sentences with correct grammar. So this is the video that I'm using. It's the Friends episode where they're going to London for Ross's wedding. So here they have to answer questions. Where are they going? Who is going on the trip? Why are they going on the trip? Is everyone going? Why or why not? What changed and why? So since I do want my students to record, they can click the green plus sign and record. So here I have used the recording, and that way this students can practice speaking, or they can type their answers. So who is going on the trip? Everyone. Everyone is going on the trip. Is going on the trip. Why are they going on the trip? They are going for Ross's wedding, and so on. And another activity that I have here is an essay outline. So what's great about Evernote is that they have pre-made templates. So this is one template that's already made, and teachers can edit it to better suit their standards. So this is great for organizing how to write an essay, and students can work on this in and out of class as well. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that this was helpful, and hopefully you guys can use Evernote for in and out of class activities. Thank you.